Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Night Shift Programmer. So today I'm going to show you how to install OpenShift container in your local system, in your local laptop, in your local machine. Okay, so most of them we know that OpenShift is basically on the online platform. Okay, it's a website console, but we can also install OpenShift in our laptop, and we can utilize OpenShift CLI command line interface. Okay, so let's start. So to install OpenShift in your laptop, in your Windows device, then you have to log into the Red Hat account. So let's first log into the OpenShift Red Hat login. Okay, so here you can see there are let me tell you one thing. There are too many, there are so many, like a website for Red Hat. Here you can see www.redhat.com, accessredhat.com. Okay, so there are too many Red Hat websites are available, and for if you are login particularly for downloading OpenShift setup, then you have to log in with a developer Red Hat login. Okay, see here you can see the developers.redhat.com. Okay, you have to click this link. So first you have to log in here with your account. If you don't have your account, then you can create from here. It's a free of cost, so free for all. Register for Red Hat account. Okay, as I'm already created, so just let me log in. Okay, so here you can see the OpenShift homepage. Okay, I am just login with my account. So here you can see the homepage. So under product you have to select a Red Hat Developer Hub. Oh sorry, Red Hat OpenShift local. Okay, here you can see the option install OpenShift on your laptop. So you have to just click on this. It will show you the download the link from here. You can download the OpenShift cluster or setup. Okay, so here you can see the three options. Cloud, you can install in the cloud, or data center, or local. So in this case we have to select local. Okay, and here you will see the download. Okay, download OpenShift local. So here you can select your operating system: Linux, Mac OS, Windows. In my case it's a Windows, so I'm just clicking on this download OpenShift local. So it will download this setup in few minutes. And one thing you have to remember, you have to along with OpenShift local, you have to download the secrets, download pull secrets. So just click here, it will download the secrets. So this secret we can use while setting up the cluster. Okay, so let's now we have downloaded the setup. Now we have to install. Okay, here you can see the install setup, extract all, extract here. Okay, so here you can see the setup. So just right click and open. Okay, it will start your installing OpenShift. Next, install. It will take few minutes to complete the setup installation. So this setup we can install in our system, like to practice OpenShift CLI. Okay, OpenShift command, you can create your own cluster, you can deploy your applications, you can deploy like your pods, you can scale up your pods, scale down your pods, you can like create a route for your cluster, so that you can expose uh, your OpenShift project to the internet. Okay, yeah, so now the setup is completed. Just click on the finish button. It will ask you the restart your system to like to configuration changes. Okay, you have to just click, then it will restart your system. So that's about installing OpenShift in your system. Okay, thank you guys, we'll see you in the next blog.